In this video, we are going to walk through the steps of transforming your DigitalHeat FX i650 white toner printer into a dye sublimation printer using the IColor 650 Sublimation Toner Cartridge Kit. Let's get started. Step 1. Ensure the power is off, then open the lid of your printer to access the cartridges. Remove the standard toner/drum cartridges and store them in a cool, dark place. Step 2. Open the sublimation cartridges, starting with the black. Remove any seal tape and packaging to prepare it for installation. Step 3. Insert the black sublimation cartridge into the front slot of the drum unit. Ensure it sits flush and in place. Step 4. Repeat the process with the yellow, magenta, and cyan sublimation cartridges, ensuring they are installed in the correct configuration. Step 5. Once all cartridges are installed, power on your printer. Load it with standard printer paper, preferably good quality copy paper, not sublimation paper. Congratulations! Your DigitalHeat FX i650 printer is now ready to sublimate. Easily switch between regular toner and dye sublimation toner as needed. Thank you for watching.